In this video, we are going to discuss about powers and exponents. It is very difficult to write very large numbers such as mass of Earth, which is 597 and 22 zeros next to it kgs, or mass of Uranus, which is 868 and 23 zeros next to it kg. We find that it is very difficult to write these numbers, to read them and to compare them as well. We also find it difficult to write large distances such as distance between the Sun and Saturn, which is 1,433 500 and 6 zeros next to it meters, or distance between Saturn and Uranus, which is 1,439 and 9 zeros next to it meters. We find that it is very difficult to write these large numbers, to read them and to compare them as well. So to make this process easy, we can make use of powers and exponents. Let us see how. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features easy to understand concept videos on mathematics. Effort has been made to explore the mathematical concepts through the basic ideas in mathematics. Now we will see how we can express following numbers in the exponential form. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is coming 4 times, so we can express this in exponential form as 6 raised to 4. We can express t multiplied by t, which is coming 2 times, in the exponential form as t squared. We can express b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b, which is coming 4 times, in the exponential form as b raised to 4. We can express 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, where 5 is coming 2 times, as 5 squared multiplied by 7 is coming 3 times, so 7 cubed. So this will be the exponential form. We can express 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a as this 2 multiplied by 2 will be 2 squared multiplied by this a multiplied by a will be a squared, so it will be 4a squared in the exponential form. Now we will see how we can write numbers in powers of 10. We write 10,000 as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 4 times, and this we write as, here 10 is called base of exponent, 4 is called exponent or power of 10, and this is read as 10 raised to 4, 10 to the power 4, or simply fourth power of 10. Similarly, we write 100,000 as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 5 times, which we write 10 raised to 5, or simply we write 100 as 10 squared, or 1000 as 10 cubed. This is known as writing numbers in the powers of 10. We can write any natural number in the form of powers of 10. For example, we can write 475 as this 4 multiplied by 100 plus this 7 multiplied by 10 plus this 5, which we also can write as 4 into 10 square plus 7 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5. We can write 376 52 as 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 7 multiplied by 1000 plus this 6 multiplied by 100 plus this 5 multiplied by 10 plus this 2, which also becomes 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 plus 7 multiplied by 10 cube plus 6 multiplied by 10 square plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 plus 2. All these numbers have been expressed in powers of 10, where the base was 10 in each case, but this base can also be other than 10. We can express 8 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which we write 2 cube. Here the base of exponent is other than 10. We can write 625 as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 5 raised to 4. Here the base of the exponent is other than 10. We can write 243 as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which we write as 3 to the power 5, where the base is other than 10. So we understand that we can express natural numbers in the power or exponent forms where the base of the exponent is other than 10. Work out 1 cube minus 1 cube minus 1 raised to 4 minus 10 cube minus 5 raised to 4. First, 1 cube will be 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 3 times. So that gives us 1. Next, minus 1 cube is minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Here we observe that when the base is negative and the power is an odd number, then the answer is negative. Next is minus 1 raised to 4. It will be minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 4 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1 again. So we get plus 1. Here we observe that the base is negative, power is an even number, then the answer is positive. Next is minus 10 cube. It will be minus 10 multiplied by minus 10 multiplied by minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10 will be plus 100. 100 into minus 10 will be minus 1000. Here we observe that when the base is negative and the power is an odd number, then the answer is negative. Minus 5 raised to 4 will be minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Now minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 will be plus 25. 25 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 125, and minus 125 multiplied by minus 5 will be plus 625. So we observe that when the base is negative and power is even number, then the answer is positive. So you can remember these rules for future calculations. Now let's play with some negative numbers as the base. For example, let us write minus 2 cube. It will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Now this minus into this minus will be plus, and this plus into this minus will be minus. So it will be minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. That is minus 8. What will be minus 3 raised to 4? It will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. So it will be 81. This minus into minus will be plus. Plus into minus will be minus. And minus into minus will be plus again. It will be plus 81. Now instead of fixed numbers, we can take any integer a and write a multiplied by a multiplied by a as a cubed, then minus a multiplied by minus a as a squared. We can take any other integer b also or c also and write a multiplied by a multiplied by b as a squared b, or c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by a multiplied by a, as this will be c cubed into this will be b squared and this will be a squared. So we can write it as a squared, b squared, c cubed in alphabetical order. We can also use any negative integers minus a multiplied by minus a multiplied by b multiplied by minus b multiplied by c multiplied by minus c multiplied by minus c. So it will be, this will be a squared, and because minus into minus is plus, so it will be plus a squared multiplied by this will be b squared, but this plus multiplied by minus will be minus b squared multiplied by this will be c cube, and this plus into minus will be minus, and minus into minus will be plus, so it will be plus c cube. Now this we can write as plus into minus will be minus, minus into plus will be minus again, so it will be minus a squared, then this b squared, and this c cube. Now we will see how to find the values of 2 raised to 6. It will be 2 multiplied by 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 2 6 times. So this will be 8 and this will be 8. So it will be 8 8s are 64. How to find 9 cube? So it will be 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Now 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. Multiplied by this 9, it will be 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. So 9 cube will be 729. Let us find 11 squared. It will be 11 multiplied by 11, which will be 121. Next, we have to find 5 raised to 4, which will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 4 times. This 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25, multiplied by 5 will be 125, multiplied by this 5 will be 625. We have to express following numbers in the exponential notations. First is 512. We have to find prime factors of 512. It will be 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and finally 2 1s are 2. So here 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So we write 512 as 2 raised to 9. So this will be its exponential notation. Next is 343. We will find prime factors of 343. It will be 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. Next, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So 7 is coming 3 times, so 343 we can write in the exponential notation as 7 cubed. Next is 729. We will find prime factors of 729. They will be 3, 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and finally 3 1s are 3. So here 3 is multiplied 6 times, so therefore 729 will be 3 raised to 6. We have to express 3125. So first we will find its prime factors. So 3 1 2 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 5s are 25, and finally 5 1s are 5. So here 5 is multiplied 5 times, so 3125 in the exponential notation will be 5 raised to 5. we have to identify the greater number between the two. Which is greater, 4 cube or 3 raised to 4? Now 4 cube will be 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That will be, this is 16. 16 fours are 64. In 3 raised to 4, it will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. 27 threes are 81. Since 81 is greater than 64, 3 raised to 4 will be greater than 4 cube. Next is 5 cube or 3 raised to 5. 5 cube will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. 3 raised to 5 will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now multiplication of 3 4 times we have seen here is 81 multiplied by 3 will be 243. Now since 243 is greater than 125, 3 raised to 5 will be greater than 5 cube. Next is 100 square or 2 raised to 100. 100 square will be 100 multiplied by 100. That will be 10,000. First, let us calculate 2 raised to 10. So that will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so on and so forth. 10 times. That will work out 2 raised to 10 equals 1024. Therefore, 2 raised to 100 will be 1024 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 10 times. Obviously, 2 raised to 100 will be greater than 100 square. We have to express the following numbers as powers of prime numbers. First is 648. Let us find prime factors of 648. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, and finally 3 ones are 3. So 648 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 is multiplied for 3 times, so it will be 2 cube multiplied by, here 3 is multiplied 4 times, so it will be 3 raised to 4. So 648 is 2 cube multiplied by 3 raised to 4 in the powers of prime numbers. Next is 405. We will find its prime factors. So 405. 5 eights are 40, 5 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So 405 will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which will be 405 equals 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. Next is 540. Its prime factors will be 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 2 zeros are. Then 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 zeros are. Then 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5. So this 540 will be equal to this 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 5. So it will be 540 equals, this will be 2 squared multiplied by this will be 3 cube multiplied by this 5. Next is 3600. Its prime factors will be 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 0 0, 2 nines are 18, 0 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, then 3 fives are 15, and finally 5 ones are 5. So 3600 will be equal to multiplication of 2 4 times, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplication of 3 2 times, 3 multiplied by 3, then multiplication of 5 2 times, so it will be 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 5 squared. So this will be in the form of powers of prime numbers. 3600. We have to simplify following expressions. First is 2 into 10 cube. It will be 2. Since here power of 10 is 3, we will put 3 zeros next to this 2. So that gives us 2000 as the simplified form. 7 squared into 2 squared. 7 square is 49 multiplied by 2 squared is 4. So it will be 4 nines are 36, 3 carry, 4 fours are 16, plus 3, 19. So 196 is the simplified form. Cube into 5. So that will be 2 cube is 8 multiplied by 5. So 40 is the simplified form. 0 into 10 square will be 0, as 0 multiplied by any number is 0. 3 square into 10 raised to 4. 3 square is 9. And since here power of 10 is 4, we have to put 4 zeros next to 9. So that gives us 90,000 in the simplified form. 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 squared. 2 raised to 4 will be 16 multiplied by 3 square is 9. 16 nines are is 144 is the simplest form. Minus 4 cube will be minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 will be plus 16. 16 fours are 64. This minus into minus will be plus, and plus multiplied by minus will be minus. So this will be minus 64. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 cube. It will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 cube will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So it will be minus 3 multiplied by this minus into minus will be plus, plus into minus will be minus again. So it will be minus 8, and minus 3 eights are 24, and minus into minus will be plus. So it will be plus 24, the simplified form. Minus 2 cube multiplied by minus 10 cube. Minus 2 cube will be minus 8, and minus 10 cube will be minus 1000. So the product will be 8000, and minus into minus will be plus. So 8000 is the simplified form. Minus 3 squared multiplied by minus 5 cube. Minus 3 squared will be minus 27. Minus 5 cube will be minus 125. 27 multiplied by 125 is 3375, and minus into minus will be plus. So this will be plus 3375, the simplified form. Expand a cube b squared, a squared b cube, b squared a cube, b cube a squared. Are they all same? We can expand a cube b squared as a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by b. A is coming 3 times, b 2 times. We can expand a squared b cube as a multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. Here a is coming 2 times, b is coming 3 times, then b squared a cube will be b multiplied by b multiplied by a cube multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. Here b is coming 2 times, a 3 times, and finally b cube a squared will be b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by a multiplied by a. Now to decide whether they are all same, we have to focus our attention on their indices. Here the index of a is 3, and here also the index of a is 3. Next here index of b is 2, and here also index of b is 2. Hence these two numbers in a and b are the same. In other two pairs, index of a is 2. Here also index of a is 2. Then index of b is 3. Here also index of b is 3. Therefore, the second and the fourth numbers in a and b are the same. So we have to focus our attention on the indices of individual a, b, and c, etc., so as to decide which numbers are the same, irrespective of the order in which they are placed. Whether A is coming first or B is coming first is immaterial in case of multiplication, because we know that multiplication is commutative. That is, even if we change the order of the numbers, the result of multiplication does not change. We have to compare numbers in the exponential form and tell which one is bigger and which one is smaller. First pair of numbers is 2.7 multiplied by 10 raised to 12 and 1.8 multiplied by 10 raised to 8. Here 2 raised to 7 is greater than 1.8 and 10 raised to 12 is also greater than 10 raised to 8. So obviously 2.7 multiplied by 10 raised to 12 is greater than 1.8 multiplied by 10 raised to 8. Next is 4 into 10 raised to 17 and 3 into 10 raised to 18. Here, even though 4 is greater than 3, 10 raised to 17 is smaller than 10 raised to 18. So obviously 3 into 10 raised to 18 will be greater than 4 into 10 raised to 17. Now, coming back to where we had started, we had argued that how it is difficult to write very large numbers, read them, and compare between two large numbers. Like mass of Earth is 597 and 22 zeros next to that kgs. By using powers of 10, we can write mass of Earth in a simplest manner as 5.97 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 kg. Now how we have written this? First, we have written this 597 as 5.97. Then we have counted the number of digits coming after this decimal, which are 24 in number, and this 24 we have given power to this base 10. And this is how we have written this very large number in the simplest form. Secondly, we have seen mass of Uranus to be 868 and 23 zeros next to it kgs. This mass we have written as 8.68 multiplied by 10 raised to 25 kg. This we have written by giving a decimal point next to 8. Then we have counted the number of digits coming after the decimal, which in this case are 25, and this 25 we have given power to the base 10 and written 8.68 into 10 raised to 25 kg. You will observe how easy it has become now to write them, to read them, and to compare them as well. How we can compare these two numbers? The first thing we have to look at is the powers of 10. In case of mass of Earth, it is 10 raised to 24, and in case of mass of Uranus, it is 10 raised to 25. Second thing we have to look at is the first number that we have written. In the first case, it is 5.97, and in the second, it is 8.68. 8.68 is greater than 5.97, and secondly, 10 raised to 25 is greater than 10 raised to 24. So obviously, mass of Uranus is greater than mass of the Earth. Now you will see that it has become easier to compare two large numbers when we write them in powers of 10. The second example that we have seen is about the distances. We have seen distance between the Sun and Saturn is 1 433 500 and 6 zeros next to that meters. We can write this distance in the exponent form or in the powers of 10 as 1.4335 into 10 raised to 12 meter. Here we have put the decimal next to 1 and we have counted the number of digits that are coming after the decimal. And here the number of digits that are coming after the decimal are 12. This 12 we have given as a power to this 10 and written the distance between the Sun and Saturn as 1.4335 multiplied by 10 raised to 12 meters. For the comparison, let us consider distance between Saturn and Uranus, which is 1439 and 9 zeros next to that meters. Now we can write this large distance as 1.4390. Here we have given decimal next to this 1, and after decimal we have counted the number of digits that are coming, and here there are 12 digits coming after the decimal, and this 12 we have given power to this 10 and written 1.4390 multiplied by 10 raised to 12 meter. So this is how we can write these large distances in the form of exponents or in the powers of 10. Now it has become easier to write these large numbers. It is easy to read them and it is easy to compare them also. Now how to compare them? Here first we will look at the powers of 10, which we find to be the same, 10 raised to 12 in both the cases. Next thing we have to do is compare the first numbers that are coming. In the first case, it is 1.4335. In the second case, 1.4390. Since 1.4390 is greater than 1.4335, we can easily say that distance between Saturn and Uranus is greater than distance between the Sun and Saturn. So you will see that it has become easier now to compare between the two large numbers. So this is the beauty of writing very large numbers in the exponent form or in the powers of 10. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button, share this video with your classmates. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos of this type. Give your comments to make these videos better. You can suggest topics on which you want me to make videos. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.